Welcome to Trace PA. The audit plan is the first stage of the audit. Here, the auditor selects the client, for whom the audit plan needs to be prepared. Based on the discussion with the client, the auditor selects the audit type, for which the engagement plan will be created. The auditor also selects the frequency of the audit report. Depending on the audit type, the relevant templates become available. Next, the auditor enters the fee details to arrive at the total. Consultation fees. This template includes predefined headings and descriptions. These help the auditor fill in the required information and update the details already provided in the standard template. Once all sections are completed, the auditor previews the document. The preview helps verify the content before sharing it with the client. When the document is shared, the client receives access through the client portal. The client reviews the document prepared by the auditor and either approves it or suggests changes. If changes are suggested, the auditor updates the document and reshares it with the client. Once the document is approved, the audit moves forward to the next stage,